The best part about this job is getting to know my patients and helping them get the medicine they need. But there's a lot more to it. Staying up to date and compliant is a lot of work. So I need tools that are intuitive and efficient, reports that are easy to generate and simple to understand. I want to be warned when there's a problem, and when an inspector walks through my door, I want to be ready and relaxed. That sounds like peace of mind to me.
For over 30 years, we've been listening to our clients the way healthcare professionals listen to their patients. And our Swiss-engineered monitoring solutions are built with the needs of the pharmaceutical industry in mind. With Libero W, setting up your temperature monitoring is simple. It comes pre-configured and it's ready to go. It's wireless and self-powered, which means placement is easy. Warnings, alarms, and reports are at your fingertips. Your min-max lists and all other reports are 100% compliant and generated automatically. And never worry about interruptions and logging. Low battery or calibration warnings will appear visually and acoustically, as well as temperature excursions. Libero W takes care of it automatically. Except you'll have to close that door by yourself.
Elpro solutions are the most reliable and cost-effective way to stay compliant. And that means I can stay focused on what matters most, my patients.